Hey, Algebra 2 Trig. We're going to finish up. We're going to start a new section with systems of equations. It's just going to be another method to solving. It's called elimination. Okay, so far we've done substitution and graphing. So the third one is elimination. All right, so the essential question is, how do I solve systems of equations with the elimination method? And here's my equation. I've got two lines. Okay, I want to know where they cross. And the number one thing, the first step is I want to get opposites. Okay, so if I look at this, if I have a 3x, I want to somehow get a negative 3x. Or if I have a 2y, I want a negative 2y. Okay, so since they're not even the same number, I want to get them to the same number and opposites. So if I'm just looking at this, I'm going to turn one of them into 6x, and I'm going to turn the other one into negative 6x. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2 to turn that into 6x. And I'm going to multiply that bottom equation by negative 3, so I can turn that into negative 6x, so I'll have opposites. Okay, so if I do this right, it'll be 6x plus 4y equals 20. And then if I multiply that by negative 3, I'll get negative 6x minus 15y equals negative 9. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the two equations. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to add them. Don't subtract them, I'm going to add them. So 6 plus negative 6 is 0. 4 plus negative 15 is negative 11y. And 20 plus negative 9 is 11. Now I only have one variable. I'm going to divide by negative 11, and I get y equals negative 1. Good? Okay, so the last part is I need to find my x now that I have my y. So I'm going to plug into one of the original equations. I'm going to take negative 1 and plug it into right here. Okay, so my original equation was 3x plus 2y equals 10. I'm going to take negative 1, plug it in here. So 3x plus 2 times negative 1 equals 10. So then it'll be 3x minus 2 equals 10. I solve for x. I'm going to add 2. So 3x equals 12. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And x equals 4. So my final answer is 4 comma negative 1. And that is where my two lines cross. And if you have any questions, go ahead and write on the left side. And we'll talk about it more tomorrow.